Dynamic Cables Ltd, a cable and wire manufacturer. The company was founded in the year 1986 as Dynamic Engineers and later got incorporated in 2007 and got listed on NSE and BSE in 2017. They are based in Jaipur with more than 700 employees. Company has 3 manufacturing plants located in Jaipur and Reengus. The market cap of the company is 1,341 crore rupees and currently trading at 609 rupees per share. The company has a 31% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 57% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company has more than 3 decades of experience and manufactures high-tension cables, low-tension cables, railway signaling cables and conductors. About 63% of the revenue is generated from high-tension cables, 3% from railway signaling cables, 30% from low-tension cables, and 4% from conductors. Company is now focusing on new emerging markets of renewable energy and electric vehicles to improve margin profile. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been a drop in promoters' holding in the last quarter. We can see a small portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company, which are slowly increasing. Company serves more than 350 clients from 40 countries, with revenue concentration of 90% from domestic and 10% from exports. Some clients of the company are DYCL, Larsen & Toubro, NTPC, Northern Railways, Adani, Mahindra EPC, Tata Power, Bajaj Electricals, Siemens, and more. In October 2023, company received an order worth Rs 95 crores from Northern Railways. Company has high client concentration. Top 10 clients contribute about 65% of the total revenue. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.